After him.
Are they? Are they?
Yes.
Oh.
China begins genetically engineering or infecting food with something not intended to kill a person overnight, but to say lower.
Seems a bit, what's it?
What an absolute twat.
Hey, oh. No.
Oh, look at this. You should have given me. Use your bloody eyes, mate. You should not see the look behind you.
Look at that. Can you
Yep.
What the back?
Just.
What's that? F***ing whack up, woman.
Bloke and us on foam.
That's personal as well. So that your desire to cover the protest or your right.
I'm going 60. Don't know what speed you're going
right to,
in the overtaking lane.
To express yourself in the public.
Surprised you're not leaving more space. You're acting as if you're
I'm
rushing
slowing
to
down
overtake
myself.
them.
Dickhead, cut me up like that. Send him in. No indication at all. Come in.
In front of a zebra crossing and not bloody. Want to go.
Because you don't know the rules.
But then I couldn't exactly back out, so I was like, right, okay, I'm going to own whatever this is then.
Yeah.
All the way up. Scumbags about.
Okay now.
Let's be truthful. A good fart at the right pitch, it brings a tear to his eye. No, man, pick a lane. Sake, pick a lane! Switch your indicator off as well, you.
Is he alright or what? It's all up.
Press button.
like the best part about this is I like the number plate. I like how it's nice and clear and legible and a good font. You can use the bus lane, mate. You are allowed.
The only thing is, because it...
Held back in case they wanted to come on this side of the road, but they did not.
Is what's mainly keeping you safe, as well as other people and as well as in the world. Like
Red light. Straight through.
Yeah, these for work. Press button.
You weren't stopping either, we were. Don't know.
People can't get the help needed because of overwhelmed and under-resourced services. LBC, while they're dry with
Or a huge hole in the ground.
Winter's really done a lot of these roads.
Giant chasm in the floor. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Jesus. Oh, there's nothing behind me. Let's dodge this one. No bothering indicators now. Nah, don't worry about it. Let other people think for you, mate.
Oh, no blinker. Okay.
Nice little tasty R8 there. Heard it before I saw it.
This is wheels off the ground. it's crashed, that's what happened. It's the fence. The wall's crashed.